Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to actually fix your machine and you just know something's wrong, your apps aren't open correctly, especially Microsoft Office, and you can't really figure out why, and you've run all the fixes. It's probably your run times. An example, one of our students, his Word just completely stopped saving, just completely stopped loading correctly. And it finally gave the notice that it's missing its run times. I'm going to show you how to get those. I highly suggest, even if you think your computer is running well, download these anyway, and it will change the life of your computer and your frustration level. So I'm just opening Edge. I'm going to type in Ninite, literally Ninite.com, and I'm going to hit enter. It's very accessible with a screen reader. Do a find command for .NET. You'll immediately jump right to your .NETs. Visually, you can see all of these right here. And you need both 64 and 86. And it's only going to have an 8 because, of course, visually it's not showing up. So you need to go ahead and check all of these boxes. They're just check marks, really, really easy to mark. And I highly suggest you get 8, 9, and 10. Now you'll notice a .NET 4.8.1 because that's a primary .NET runtime for older programs. So if you're running some older programs that are starting to get a little hiccupy, just download this one also. Anyway, you're going to go through and you're going to check all of these, and then you're just going to do Alt G to get all of this. You're going to wrap that up and just do Alt G to get them. And then you can download and run your system installer. So you're going to go ahead and just package all this. And it doesn't not matter how many you check, it will automatically put all of them in an exec folder. And then when you Windows E to go to your downloads and you hit spacebar to select it, hit enter, it will automatically extract all of them. Okay. So, how do you find out how many runtimes you actually have? You're going to hit your Windows key and type in CON. You're going to hit enter on control panel. Now, your control panel is going to look either like mine, which is it automatically pops you in the find command. That's control F. And you can just type in PRO programs and features, tab to programs and features, or your whole screen is going to be covered with all your programs. Just hit P until you get to programs and features, and then you're just going to open that. The quickest way to find this is just do a control F and type in run. And that will automatically pull up all your run times. I was hoping I had not done 10 yet, but I'm pretty diligent about this. Now, the first thing people ask is, well, I'm doing my Windows updates all the time. Unfortunately, none of this comes through your Windows updates. This is also a huge security issue. If you run a company, you need to check your all your people's computers. So when I do this in the schools, often they have the computers really locked down, so I have to do it with one of their IT people, and they instantaneously realize none of their runtimes have loaded. So after they're finished, with me showing how to get these runtimes, they immediately go back and they have their whole system at schools. We're talking major, huge schools. So this is a significant security issue also. But for us, especially if you're at home or whatnot, and you just want your programs to run well, this is it. This is a huge issue that people have in getting their programs to run. There's many options. I highly suggest going to my other videos on how to keep your computer optimized. But this is another huge, huge issue. And I always try to do a video as soon as I show that. And everybody's like, oh my gosh, you need to do a video on this. Anyway, download those runtimes. Make a computer work better. Not just work better, but more secure. So you're not having viruses attack you. Okay, that is another lesson by Dr. Robinson at Tech Vision. And we'll see you in another video later.